Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make ginseng extract. We'll cover the entire process, from selecting your ginseng to storing the final product. Making your own extract allows you to control the quality and concentration, ensuring you get the most out of this beneficial root. It's a rewarding project that yields a versatile ingredient for various uses. Let's dive into the steps to create your very own potent ginseng extract. First, thoroughly clean your ginseng root and then chop it into very small pieces or grind it into a powder. This increases the surface area for extraction. Next, place the prepared ginseng into a clean glass jar. Add a high-proof alcohol, such as 80-proof vodka or higher, using a ratio of 1 part ginseng to 4 parts alcohol by volume. Seal the jar tightly and let it steep for a minimum of 4 to 6 weeks, shaking it gently every day. After the steeping period, it's time to separate the liquid from the solids. Pour the entire mixture through a fine mesh sieve or several layers of cheesecloth into a clean bowl. Squeeze the ginseng solids firmly to extract every last drop of the infused liquid. To concentrate your extract, gently heat the strained liquid in a double boiler, allowing some of the alcohol to evaporate. Aim to reduce the volume by about 1/2 for a more potent extract. Once your ginseng extract has reached the desired concentration, let it cool down completely to room temperature. Then, carefully transfer the finished extract into dark glass dropper bottles. These bottles help protect the extract from light degradation. Store your homemade ginseng extract in a cool, dark place, away from direct sunlight or heat. When stored correctly, your potent ginseng extract can maintain its quality and efficacy for several years, ready for use whenever you need it.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.